In vendor master general data, the next screen status, the first field in status achieving flag. What is meant by achieving flag? Establishes if the business partner is meant to be achieved. If the indicator is set, the relevant business partner can be achieved from the view of the business partner administration. If the check of the data to be achieved shows, for example, that there are still active business transactions, the achieving of the business partner data is prevented even if the indicator is set. If the indicator is not set, the business partner will not be taken into consideration during achieving. The next field in the status, central block. So generally we used to call as central block for business partner. If the business partner is blocked centrally, certain activities cannot be executed. So the next field, not released. Define whether a business partner has been released for business processes. Usage, if you have not set this indicator, you cannot use the business partner in question. If you have set the indicator, you should not use the business partner for application process yet. Its data must be checked first. So then the next field, contact. The contact field informs you whether the customer can be contacted or not. So the next one, status field, denotes the status profile to which user status are defined. So then active status, key which informs you of the current status of an object. Usage, a status can either be activated internally or externally for information and control purposes. So the next field, end date, termination date for business relations with the bank. Generally we used to call as end date. Then contact date, date of lost customer contact, indicates the date of the lost contact with the business partner. You can use the date of the lost customer contact to determine when hairless asset such as deposits to accounts and interest receivable may be seized on the basis of legal regulations. When such assets are seized or dormant and unclaimed accounts are closed after a fixed period of the time and credit balance is transferred to a clearing account. In some countries, the bank then transfer the credit to the state in accordance with the legal regulations. If the customer has been in contact or if contact has been made with the customer, you can update the date field manually. If the customer has initiated a transaction on the account, it is possible for the business intelligence to automatically update the date field with the date of the lost customer initiated transactions. So this is called contact date. So the next one is various list. What is meant by various list? To view the list of the suppliers that have vendor master records in the tenant, select vendor master from the supplier section of the admin menu. This list makes it easier to invite suppliers and ensure their correct association to the vendor master record.